Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change Instagram username on PC. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to simply open up Instagram on your browser. So after opening up Instagram of any of your browser, you guys have to simply tap on the below left corner of more option. So you guys have to simply tap on this. Horizontal lines are appearing. So you guys have to simply tap on it. So it will provide you a menu. Here you guys have to simply select settings. So in the settings, you guys have to simply go to this see more in account center section. So in the account center section, you guys will be able to see lots of your accounts connecting with each other. So you guys can see it has displaying Facebook account, Instagram, and multiple Instagram account of you. So you guys have to simply select that account in which you want to change username. So I'm selecting this one. So after tapping on that, here you guys will be able to see it will providing you. So here you guys will be able to see it is providing you some options. You guys have to simply select username. So after tapping on it, it will provide you your current username. So you guys have to simply change it. So just remove this username and add another username. So after that, when our username is legal or username is available, so here you guys can see I have added a random username. So after adding the username, you guys have to simply tap on done. So after tapping on done, your Instagram username will be changed in this way. I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.